Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Kelly's Creative Dream Studios. I'm trying to get this video up, and it's probably going to be late this afternoon while Bob and I are out getting errands done and bills paid. And I'm not working on my schedule, and he's sitting in the dining room waiting very patiently for me to get done. So I got a couple of things today. Number one, this is Case on the 5th. So this was not the card I had planned, but I couldn't find the one on Pinterest that I found last night. So I have this one from Stampin' Savvy. It's created by Tammy Beard at Stampin' Pretty, so you might want to check her out. I'll try to find her and leave her a link down below. If nothing else, I will leave the link to this pin down below. Keep in mind this video is probably going up late in the evening for Friday, but because it's not going to get done before I have to leave here, and I probably won't be back until later this evening. So, but I'll have the link for this down below. And then I also combined Case on the 5th with the color challenge for this week at Split Coast Stampers. And we were to use Seaside Spray, Crushed Curry, and Garden Green. Plus, for the dessert option, bring in one other color that we wanted to use. And I chose to use Needlepoint Nook. It used Balmy Blue and Crushed Curry and Old Olive for their greens. But what I did was I substituted the Balmy Blue for the Seaside Spray and the Old Olive for the Garden Green, and actually they worked out pretty well. If you look in the card, this green is closer to the Garden Green or the Dark Olive and this one, so I made it work. I made it work there. You know, if we have to fudge, we can fudge. They just want us to stay kind of in that color palette. And then we can bring in an alternate neutral tone, and I've got the white here that I have the bird stamped on from Free as a Bird, and I use this bird here, and this will probably wind up being another birthday card. I used the Needlepoint Nook papers from our Occasions Catalog 2019, and so I used this one, I believe, no, this one, and this is the front and this is the back. But it was too much Poppy Parade for the dessert option, so I went with this green instead. And that is from the Needlepoint Nook collection. I used the circle and the matching scallop from Stampin' Up, layered circles to do the bird. And then I used my, I'm sorry, I don't think well when I know that I'm being rushed, so hang with me. Stampin' Blends. I think that's what they're called. Yeah, our alcohol markers from Stampin' Up. The sentiment across here says collect moments, beautiful moments. And this is from that new Tim Holtz stamp set that I bought while I was in Iowa. The Stampin' Stencil for mixed media. And this is number, it doesn't, yeah, THMM113. If you're interested in that stamp set. I love that for all the skinny little sentiments across the bottom. Okay, so that was my card for Case on the 5th. Now, I had promised Denise that I would tell her about Paper Pumpkin. And I'm going to see, of course, this is my 2019 catalog, not my new catalog. But we'll make it work. I've got a new Stampin' Up catalog sitting around here somewhere. But let me see if I can find Paper Pumpkin. Paper Pumpkin is a boxed card kit from Stampin' Up. Comes every month, and 1 month is $19. You can go for a 3-month subscription for $57, 6 month, or even go the 12-year. When you go the 12-year, you get the 11th month free, so you're paying for 11, getting 12. If you go the 6 month, you're saving $1 per month. And all you do is go in and subscribe, and I will link the link to that down below. As well as my Stampin' Up ID number. And all you have to do is go in and put that in. And or if you have a Stampin' Up demonstrator that you work with, please, by all means, use who you normally use. But everything comes in the box that you need to make whatever it is they have for you in the box. So let me pull the sheet from this one this week and show you. When you get Paper Pumpkin, your first box will come with a clear stamping block And then after that, just hang on to that Stampin' block, and you'll use it with all the stamp sets for the remainder of the kits. You will get this detail sheet, and there's also a lot of different designs on YouTube and Pinterest that you can follow, as well as alternative ways to use the kit. You don't have to use the kit the way they say, as you may have found out in my paper pumpkin video on Friday, that you can use the kit however you want. But everything you need to construct what they suggest that you do is in the kit. So this also included the ribbon. It included the die cuts, the envelopes, the card fronts, everything you needed to do to create these cards. It will tell you on the back what is in your kit. It will also tell you what coordinating Stampin' Up! Colors will work with this kit. So if you want to play with something else, you know at a glance what colors you can bring in to play with. You will receive the stamp set. You will receive your ink spot. This time it was early espresso. You will receive any of the embellishments they want you to use, and they will include, if it's necessary, they'll include dimensionals and or glue dots. So everything you need is in the kit. If you're fixing to go on vacation, just grab your box and go, and you've got something to work on while the kids are playing. I really love paper pumpkin. I will suggest paper pumpkin. So if you have any further questions about paper pumpkin, you can leave that in the description box. Leave that down in the comments below, and I will do my best to answer you. And if you'd like, you can leave me your email, and I will email you directly. Or my email is in the description box below. Feel free to email me directly. Just put paper pumpkin in the subject line so I don't lose you in my massive amount of mail. I think that's it for today. I'm supposed to have a video for tomorrow. If I do, it's going to run up late. I wanted to do my design team video tomorrow and show you my kit, but with Bob being home and us on the run, I can't guarantee I'm going to get a video filmed. I do have the video for Friday ready to roll. I just need to upload it to YouTube. It's already been condensed through Clipchamp and ready to run, and I will upload that tonight, so you will have it for Friday. And then we'll see where we go from there. 10 on the 10th is Monday, so there will be Christmas cards in here on Monday. And that one I know for sure. I'll just have to send Bob to his man cave while I make Christmas cards. So I will see you back here Friday for sure, tomorrow maybe. Thanks for joining me in the studio today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and creative blessings.